Hello guys, I'm come to back and today I'll show you simply new topics, I mean new tricks. So how you can on your flashlight if you use an iPhone. So how you can do it like this. So if you want to on flashlight, then you can just scroll up to down. Here in showing many options. You can just tap on torch light icon. You can just tap here. Then light is enabled. If you tap, then close. Like this is the pretty easy. And if you want to need to more topics learn, then you can just comment which one you want to learn. And that's it. And thanks for the watching. Bye bye.